Hello everyone. Today we are going to study operators in Python. So what are the operators? It is symbol which performs certain operations. Now Python provides a set of operations like arithmetic operator, logical, relational, bitwise, assignment operator and special operator. But today we are going to see about the arithmetic operator in Python. So the first one is addition operator. Now here we are assigning the variables a as 10, b as 20. So 10 and 20 are the values which are assigned to the variable a and 20 value assigned to the variable b. Now the first operator is addition. So we write print a plus b. This will give us the addition of 10 and 20. So just execute it. So here we got addition of 10 plus 20 is 30. Now the second one is subtraction operator. So I will decomment this. Now what is subtraction of a minus b? It is the usual addition subtraction that we see in the mathematics. So it is minus 10. The third one is multiplication. So in what will be the multiplication of 10 and 20? It will be just 200. You can see here the values are coming. Now